Greetings, the Astro 30 here yet again, and welcome back to AEL. Now if you're new to this channel, please consider going down below and subscribing if you haven't done so already. Cheers. Today this is going to be a short little video demonstrating how to test a MOSFET. Now we've got two MOSFETs here sitting on a heatsink. This is an N-channel MOSFET. It's a 2SK1082, and this is a P-channel MOSFET, which is a 2SJ162. Both of these are now obsolete devices, but they are still currently working devices. So first, what you're going to need is a multimeter, obviously. Secondly, you need to know the pin out of the device. Now in this case, it goes gate, source, drain from left to right. Some MOSFETs may go gate, drain, source. So you need to know where the drain pin and the source pin are on this particular MOSFET that you're testing. So check its data sheet. So first we take a multimeter, we turn it on, and we select diode mode. Now for the N-channel MOSFET, we want to put the negative probe on the drain, and we want to touch the positive probe to the source, and we should see a diode. I mean, it's only a forward voltage of 0.17 volts, but that's perfectly fine. So next we need to turn the MOSFET on. So we take the positive probe off of the source, and we now just touch it to the gate and then measure across the drain and source again. We should see continuity or 0 volts there, meaning that it's now shorted. That means the drain and the source are practically, for all intents and purposes, physically connected together now, indicating that the transistor is turned on and it's working fine. We can short the source and the gate pins together. That should turn the MOSFET off. Negative on drain, positive on source, and there's our diode drop. So you can do the same for the P-channel MOSFET. You just reverse the probes around. So you put the positive probe onto the drain, negative onto the source, and well, we've got a slightly higher diode drop on this particular transistor, but it looks perfectly fine. Then we take the negative probe and we now touch it to the gate to turn the MOSFET on. Then measure across the source and the drain pins, and we should have continuity or 0 volts there, indicating that the transistor is turned on. Turning it off, same procedure, just short the source and the gate together, and there we go, we've got our diode drop again. So we go into continuity mode, and this is another way to check whether or not the thing is completely shorted, is we measure from the gate to the source to the drain, and then across the drain and the source, nothing. The gate to the source to the drain. Now it's saying we've got 42 ohm there. Okay, that is off, isn't it? Oh, well it is now. I must have turned the MOSFET on. So if we were to turn the MOSFET on, there we go, we've got continuity. Short that out. Nothing. Same over here, we turn the MOSFET on, continuity, turn it off, no continuity. And that's how you can test a MOSFET to see if it's functioning. And they both seem to be functioning. I'm the Astro 30, and if you enjoyed this video, please remember to go down below, like, comment and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And as always, this is the Astro 30 saying see ya, thanks for watching, have a great day.